If you're experiencing issues with multiplayer in The Sims 4, this guide will help you troubleshoot and boost your gaming experience. Follow these steps to resolve common problems. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and fast enough for online gaming. You can run a speed test to confirm your download and upload speeds meet the game's requirements. Step 2. Update The Sims 4. Make sure that your game is updated to the latest version. Open your game launcher and check for any available updates. Installing the latest patches can fix bugs and improve multiplayer functionality. Step 3. Verify game files. If you're using a platform like Origin or Steam, verify the integrity of your game files. This process will check for any missing or corrupted files and replace them, which can resolve multiplayer issues. Step 4. Adjust firewall and antivirus settings. Sometimes firewalls or antivirus software can block the game's connection. Check your firewall settings to ensure that The Sims 4 is allowed to access the internet. You may need to add it as an exception in your security software. Step 5. Restart your router. If all else fails, try restarting your router. Unplug it for about 30 seconds and then plug it back in. This can refresh your connection and resolve any temporary networking issues. By following these steps, you should be able to boost your multiplayer experience in The Sims 4. If problems persist, consider reaching out to the game's support community for further assistance. Happy gaming!